think like when we judging, like how can I tell if this man is interested in me? I think you gotta like pay attention to what he's willing to move around to make room for you. Right? I could talk to you every day and not give a damn about you. Right? I could take you out to nice restaurants and not give a damn about you. Right? Because I like to eat at nice restaurants. So you just accompanying me to it, it means nothing. Right? Or be talking to you every day. Okay, I got a little 45-minute break between what I do regularly. So I just talk to you for these little 30 minutes and I'm talking to you every day. So in your mind, you like, oh, I talk to him every day. He must have interest in me. No, it means nothing. What am I willing to move around that's important to make room for me to spend time with you? Am I willing to prioritize you as a woman? And if he's not willing to move things around in his schedule to make room for you, you are just being dealt with out of convenience. And we got to accept that reality.